Travels with Wyss.
So, what is the RV Master program? Look, when you're buying a new caravan, how do you know whether the manufacturer behind it is professionally managed? How do you know whether they have proper quality control systems? And how do you know, well, whether they'll manage warranty claims, customer complaints, compliance obligation, and importantly, remain in business long enough to support you? Look, up until recently, most buyers had very little independent information to answer those questions. This is where the RV Master program comes in. Look, I'm Wyss, and after more than 25 years of designing, building, selling and servicing caravans, I believe professional industry standards are essential. So today I'm going to explain what the RV Master program is, what manufacturers must demonstrate, and what the accreditation actually means for you as a caravan buyer. So what is RV Master? Well, the RV Master Manufacturer Program was developed by Caravan Industry Victoria. It is designed to establish a higher whole-of-business standard for recreational vehicle manufacturers. And the words whole of business, they're important. This program is not simply about inspecting one caravan as it comes off the production line. It looks more broadly at the company behind the caravan. That includes how the business is managed, how it's controlled quality, how it trains and manages employees, and how it deals with customers and warranties, and how it meets its legal and regulatory responsibilities. The Manufacturer Accreditation Program formally commenced on the 1st of July 2025, and participating businesses are subject to assessments against the program standards. Accredited participants are also required to undergo annual auditing. That's the RV Master. The 5 RV Master benchmarks. To become an accredited RV Master manufacturer, business must meet standards across 5 major areas. Number 1 is their business systems. A successful manufacturer needs to do much more than just have a good-looking product. It needs sound financial controls, documented procedures, appropriate insurance, risk management, workplace health and safety systems, and professional business administration. This matters because many businesses' failures are not caused by a lack of sales. They can be caused by poor cash flow management, uncontrolled growth, weak administration and insufficient systems, or a failure to properly understand the true cost of manufacturing. The business system benchmarks examines whether the company is being operated as a professional and sustainable manufacturing business. Now, number 2 is the quality management. Quality cannot rely entirely on one experienced employee walking around the factory and spotting problems. They need to be documented procedures, inspection points, manufacturing controls and accountability throughout the production process. And quality management should cover areas such as materials and components, construction processes, electrical and plumbing installations, weight management, final inspections, fault reporting, rectification procedures, and continuous improvement. And the objective is to create a constant result, not simply produce one excellent display caravan while allowing the quality of customers' vans to vary. Look, RV Master assesses the systems a manufacturer uses to control and manage that quality. Number 3, human resources. A caravan is only as good as the people designing, building and inspecting it. The human resource benchmarks examines areas including employment practices, staff contracts, workplace policies, training and professional development. So why does that matter to a buyer? Because high staff turnover, poor training and unclear responsibility can quickly affect manufacturing quality. And when experienced workers leave and their knowledge has never been documented or transferred, quality problems, well, they're going to follow. A professional manufacturer should invest in his workforce, provide appropriate training, make sure employees understand exactly what is expected of them. Now, number 4 is the customer service, and this is one of the areas buyers will notice most. The customer service benchmarks covers matters including, so we've got customer service standards, warranty procedures, complaint handling, dealer agreements, sale contracts, and after-sale support. And building a caravan is only the beginning of the manufacturer's responsibilities. Look, problems occur with any manufactured product. The real test is what happens if the problem is reported, and what does the company respond? How does the company respond? Is there a documented process? Does it communicate clearly? Does it accept responsibility where appropriate? And does it complete repairs within a reasonable time frame? A professional warranty and complaint system does not guarantee that every customer will always be satisfied, but it should significantly reduce confusion, delay, and inconsistent decision making. And with number 5, compliance. And compliance is not optional. manufacturers must meet applicable vehicle legislation and the Australian design rules, safety requirements and other regulatory responsibilities. And the RV Masters compliance benchmarks extends beyond the caravan itself, and it can also extend the company's obligations under the areas such as Australian consumer law, workplace legislation, corporate requirements, taxation, insurance and other relevant business regulation. And the program also recognises the importance of product compliance systems such as the recreational vehicles accreditation program, commonly known as the RVMAP. RV Masters and RVMAP are not exactly the same thing. RV Masters focus heavily on vehicle compliance with appliances to Australian design rules and federal requirements. RV Masters take a broader view of the entire manufacturing business. So who can become an RV Masters manufacturer? The program is available to eligible members of Caravan Industry Victoria and is subject to assessment and approval. One significant eligibility requirement reported at the program's launch was that a manufacturer must have operated for at least 7 years. And that requirement is designed to help demonstrate business history and stability rather than allowing a newly established manufacturer to immediately present itself as an industry benchmark. The RV Master framework also includes categories for RV manufacturers, component manufacturers, service and repair businesses. And this is important because manufacturing quality depends on more than the caravan assembler. Component suppliers, repairers and other service providers are all part of the ownership experience. So what does RV Master mean for you as a buyer? Look, an RV Master accreditation should give buyers another useful layer of information when comparing manufacturers. It indicates that the company has agreed to be assessed against broader professional standards and is contractually required to meet the program's requirements. It may provide greater confidence that the manufacturer has established business systems, formal quality controls, trained employees, documented warranty procedures, customer complaint process, and an understanding of its regulatory responsibilities. And that is considerably more meaningful than relying solely on a polished showroom, an impressive social media campaign, or a salesperson telling you that the company builds the best caravans in Australia. So what RV Master does not mean. But this is equally important to understand what the accreditation doesn't mean. It's not a guarantee that every caravan will be fault-free. It does not guarantee that a business can ever experience financial difficulty, and it does not replace your own research. But it does not mean that every manufacturer without the accreditation builds an inferior caravan. Look, at present, the program is connected to Caravan Industry Victoria membership, so manufacturers located outside Victoria or businesses that are not members, they're not going to be able to participate anyway. So the RV Masters website also states that Caravan Industry Victoria does not guarantee the performance or outcome of an accredited provider's work. So the badge should be treated as a valuable indicator and not an unconditional guarantee. In my opinion, this type of program is very positive and necessary to help. It's a necessary step for the caravan industry. For too long, entering the caravan manufacturer has been relatively easy compared with the enormous responsibility that manufacturers accept. A caravan manufacturer, they can hold millions of dollars in customer deposits. It is building vehicles that travel at highway speeds. It's installing electrical systems, gas appliances, plumbing, suspension, brakes and structural components. And it's expected to provide warranty support across the country, as large as Australia. And that requires professional management, not just the ability to assemble an attractive caravan. So programs such as RV Master encourages manufacturers in documenting their systems, measure their performance and accept external scrutiny. That should help lift professional standards across the entire industry, but the program will ultimately be judged by its results. The auditing must remain independent and rigorous, and standards, they must be enforced consistently. Accreditation must be removed when a business no longer meets the requirements, and consumers need clear information about what has actually been assessed. A badge only has value when the standard behind it is real substance. So what should buyers do? When researching a manufacturer, ask whether it holds RV Master accreditation or another recognised industry accreditation. Then continue your research. Check how long has the company operated, who legally owns the business, and whether your deposit is protected, the wording of the sales contract, the warranty process, the dealer and service network, product compliance, customer experiences, and the manufacturer's history of resolving problems. So no single logo can make that buying decision for you, but proper accreditation can become an important part of a much larger assessment. So in conclusion, the RV Master Program is designed to create a new professional benchmark across the recreational vehicle industry. It looks beyond the appearance of the caravan and examines the business responsible for building and supporting it. Its 5 central benchmarks are business systems, quality management, human resources, customer service and compliance. For manufacturers prepared to meet those standards, it provides an opportunity to demonstrate professionalism. And for buyers, it provides another tool to help separate marketing claim from proper documented business practices. And for the broader caravan industry, it represents an important move towards stronger accountability, greater consumer confidence and higher professional standards. Look, I'm Roy Wyss and my aim is to help you avoid expensive mistakes and buy the right caravan the first time. Look, do you believe in programs like the RV Masters will improve the caravan industry? Or do you think stronger government regulation is required? Look, let me know what you think in the comments. I read every single one and I will respond. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment. I want to hear your views. If you're on TV, there's the QR code and I'll see you on the next one.
Travels with Roy Wyss.